Today we'll create 4 high authority do follow backlinks. Don't skip, watch the whole video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now we'll start with this website. DR of this website is 69, 2.1 million backlinks and 14k linking websites. Go to this website, join, fill up these details. Go to your email and confirm the link. Okay, here's our dashboard. Now fill up these details. Add your website address here. You have to create your password here. So I'll add my password. Okay, it's done. Now here's my profile. And this is my backlink. And it's the do follow backlink, you can see here. Now let's move on to next website. This is the next website. And the DR of this website is 80, 2.8 million backlinks and 19k linking websites. Let's open this website. I need to sign up. Complete this form. Add your email address and password. Go to your email and confirm the activation link. Log in. This is our profile. Go here and my profile. Add online profile. And then here you have to add your bio. That's it. Now here you have to add your link. Update profile. And we have our website address here. Let's check this on some other window. Let's say do follow backlink. So second website. Now let's talk about third website. This is our third website. And the DR of this website is 79, 7.2 million backlinks, 29k linking websites. Open this website. Go to sign in. Create one. Add your details. And list now. Go to your email. You have a confirmation code there. Paste it here. This is our page, and here's our profile. Go to account dashboard. And now go to manage settings. Here you have your profile address. And now go to profile. You can change your profile picture here. And then add your website address or blog address. And short bio. Apply changes. And go back to overview. Copy your profile URL. Let's try on some other window. And you can see here, this is our profile, and here's our backlink. And it's to follow. Now let's go to next website. This is our next website. And the DR of this website is 78 334K backlinks, 4.2K linking websites. Go to this URL. Sign up. Now you can see it's a forum website. While doing sign up here, especially in forums, it's better if you use Gmail address. When you use temporary emails, sometimes they just delete your profile. So it's better if you use Gmail address. Go to your email and confirm the link. Now go to your profile and then profile details. Now fill up this form. Now here you add your keyword and then URL. Change profile. Okay, it's updated. Now let's go to our profile. You'll find your profile URL here. And this is our page. Here's our backlink. Now, here's our backlink. You can see the keyword and say do follow backlink. That's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In our next video, we'll bring some more high authority do follow backlinks or page ranking indexing tips. Till then, see you and take care.